Hi, I'm Jeanette Keynes. I'm the author of Soldering Demystified from Jewelry Arts Inc. in New York City, and I'm here to share a few tips and tricks that are going to help you in your soldering. One thing I always do is I always bind my charcoal blocks with some binding wire. Charcoal is a natural product, so it will crack eventually, more than likely, and I like my charcoal blocks to last as long as possible. So I'm going to just take some binding wire like this. This happens to be 20 gauge. If you have thinner wire, you might just wrap it around more times, and with thicker, maybe you only have to wrap it around once. I usually go around twice or 3 times. I think with this thickness, twice is good. I'm going to cut the end just like so, leaving the little ends so that I can twist them. And then I'm just going to go around using my chain nose or my parallel pliers and make little Z's like this. What that does is that tightens up the wire so that it's holding the charcoal. And all the binding wire is really doing is that if your charcoal block cracks, it's going to hold it together in one piece so it's still usable. Okay, that should work. I usually just tuck the ends in so that they don't poke me too much. And now I know that my block is going to last a lot longer.